Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Quest 3 step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Quest 3 headset and accessories. Ensure you have a clear, flat surface for setup. Locate the power button on the headset, typically found on the side. Press and hold the power button until you see the logo appear. Once powered on, put the headset on and adjust the fit for comfort. You'll now be prompted to select your language. Choose your preferred language using the controllers. Next, you'll need to connect the headset to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list displayed. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted and connect. After connecting, the headset may download updates. Wait for the updates to complete, which may take a few moments. Once updates are installed, you will be directed to the main menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your controllers. Point the controller at the headset and press the designated button to pair. You will see prompts guiding you through the pairing process. After pairing, follow the setup for your play area. Clear any obstacles in the designated play area for safety. You will then be prompted to set up your Guardian boundary. Use the controllers to trace the perimeter of your play space. Once complete, confirm your boundary by following the on-screen instructions. Now, you will have the option to explore the Quest home environment. Familiarize yourself with the virtual environment and navigate using your controllers. You can now access the Oculus Store to simply browse through the available content and select what interests you. After downloading, return to the main menu to launch your chosen app or game. Enjoy your new Quest 3 experience and immerse yourself in virtual reality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.